Desert Water Agency is here to talk about this month's California Snow Survey. We're joined with DWD's Public Affairs Water Planning Coordinator, Ernye Valenciano. Thanks for joining us, Ernye.
Nice being here, Peter. Today we're talking about snowpack on the Sierra Nevadas. And some people may be asking themselves, why are we talking about snow way up there? Well, it impacts us here locally quite a bit. So the Sierra Nevadas it's a snowbank, right? So in the winter months, it collects snow. When it gets warm, it melts and that turns into water. And we love water. And DWA and CVWD are actually state water project contractors, which means we have rights to some of that snow melt. So because we can't necessarily go up and put an ATM card in the snowbank and find out how much is there, the Department of Water Resources performs a snow survey every year from January through April. And the numbers they produce from those reports lets the state know how much water can be allocated throughout the state. So the first survey was done this week on Tuesday, and it revealed that we have 30% of average in terms of snowpack. So not quite where we want to be, but we still have a few more months. So we hope that numbers shape up for us.
What does this mean in terms of our drought and also conservation for us here in the Valley?
It means a lot because in terms of the weather, it's unpredictable, right? Year after year, you can never really anticipate how much snow or water we're going to get. So because we don't know, we want to make sure that we make steps at home to conserve water. And that's why we have incentive programs like grass removal, smart controllers, washing machines to help us all save water little by little, because all those little differences make a huge impact in the grand scheme of things. But it's important that we know about how much water we're going to get every year, because that water we use here locally to replenish our aquifer. So most of the water we use for commerce, for agriculture, residential properties, it comes from the underwater aquifer. And so we pull water out of that and use it. We don't want to just be drafting and overdrafting. We want to make sure that we can actually deposit some back in. So some of that snow melt goes directly back into the ground.
What are some simple things that people at home can do to help with that?
Incentives. We definitely we promote our incentives hard because we know they make an impact. The state is implementing new restrictions on how much water can be used for water agencies, and so like I said, you can definitely make an impact at home. Just be smart about water use. Simple things like how long you're taking a shower. Right, you don't need to take an hour-long shower. Although I'm sure that's cool, but can save a lot of water by shortening that up.
And if people would like to get more information, where do they get that?
On our website, www.dwa.org/save. You can see all our incentives on that website. Yeah.
All right. Ernye Valenciano, we appreciate your time. Thanks for joining us.